Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. In this video, I will show you how to add resizable text for your site visitors in WordPress. Have a look at that. I have added these four different text options. Small one, the normal one, medium and the large. You can see when I hover over small, it will give me 90% of my text. When I hover over normal, it shows 100%. On medium, it shows 110%, and for the large, it shows me 120%. When I click on normal, it will take me to the normal text size. To add similar feature on your site, first you have to log into your dashboard. So first of all, go to your dashboard. Now once you successfully logged into your site, hover over plugins and click on add new. In the search bar, search accessibility widget plugin. Here you can see the accessibility widget plugin. It has 2000 plus active installations. Click on install now. Now click on activate. Now the plugin was successfully installed. Now I will create resizable text widget. For this, hover over design or appearance and click on widgets. I will add resizable text widget in my sidebar. Now I have used my widgets in sidebar too, so I will open it. Wait until it loads. Now scroll down to the end of this sidebar and click on this plus button. Search accessibility widget. Here is the accessibility widget. I will click on it. Now you can see the accessibility widget settings was opened. Now here at the top, I will add title. I will add resize text. Now next is the resize the following HTML and CSS tags. I will leave as it is. Now here is the set the size. You can make them 80% or 75%. I will make it 80%. Here is the 100%. Next I will make it 120%, and here I will make it 140%. Now this is the size where the text was increased or decreased. This is the set controller text, the text that will appear on click. Here I will add small. Next I will add normal. Here I will add medium, and at the end I will add large. Now here tooltip mouse over, I will add same text that I have here. Copy this text and paste it here. Now update. Now I want this widget to be top on the sidebar, so I will take it to the top of the sidebar, just under the search bar. Now update the sidebar. Now the sidebar was successfully updated. Now I will check how it looks on live page. So I will go to posts. Now I will view a post. Now here you can see I have this widget resize text. Small, when I hover over it shows me the 80%. On normal it will show me 100%. On medium it will shows me 120%, and in large it will shows 140%. Now when you click on small, you can see the text was decrease a little bit. When you click on normal, it will become normal, and when you click on medium, it will increases like that. Now I will click on large, and this text was appeared in large. Now click on normal again, and it will go to default size. That's how you can add resizable text for your site visitors in WordPress. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe our channel and also press bell icons to get notifications about future updates. Thanks for watching.